Welcome to another edition of Culture and Tourism with Okikiola. Today's tour will be super fun. Can you guess our destination for today? Well, I would rather you get your bottle of water this time and tag along to be part of this whole fun. I bet you don't want to miss out this time. Here is our tour guide for today.
You are welcome to Olumirin Waterfall, Erin-Ijesha. So the waterfall, it has 7 stages of the waterfall. So the second stage is the best place. You can go under the water and enjoy yourself. It's the best. That's the most beautiful sight. If you get there, you really enjoy it. So at the 7th stage, when you get to the 7th stage, you are no more in Osun State, you are in EKITI State. So this waterfall serves as the boundary between Osun and EKITI. There are villagers at the 7th stage. The name of the village at the 7th stage is called Abaoke. Abaoke is a small village, part of Efon Alaye. The Abaoke, they share the same thing with Efon Alaye. Okay. But they don't live in the town, it's like a village. Okay. They live in the mud house. Okay. The house is not even up to 20. Okay.
And this is where our journey began originally. We are here in Erin-Ijesha Waterfall in Osun State, Nigeria. This waterfall is made of 7 floors, but with just 3 waterfalls. All the floors kept track of water. This is the first floor. Did you say what purpose these ones serve? Well, every floor and water has a particular uniqueness, which is where you must ensure you follow it through. The first floor serves as a source of water for people living around this area, and I'm sure it won't disappoint, irrespective of the season. Okay, we can now go back to where we're coming from. I mean the first waterfall, and that will be the 2nd floor, not the 1st floor as many project it to be. I guess you are quite amazed by the confusion. I was once confused as well. Don't make the mistake of calling the first waterfall the 1st floor. Okay?
This is the 2nd floor, which has the 1st waterfall. And this is the stairways leading to the 2nd waterfall, which is the 3rd floor. As you can see, we are here to catch some fun. So, let's go.
At this point, you might want to ask some questions. Please drop your questions in the comment section below, and I will definitely answer them.
Honestly, guys are really tired, but I refuse to be tired. And the plan is to take you up to the 7th floor. Sit back. It's not easy. The stairways from the 2nd floor to the 3rd floor is 140 steps. That sounds easy, right? Trust me, it's not.
Definitely not easy.
It's not easy. As you're coming up, just tell me your experience. How do you feel? You feel great, right?
I feel great.
You feel great, okay. Bro, steady eye cast. It's a normal thing. It's a normal thing, I believe you, man.
Oh my God. Not for children.
How do you feel? Obviously, you feel tired.
I can't believe we are here already. This is the 3rd floor, but because of our time, we should just keep moving and stop by on our way back. You might be wondering what the story here is. Well, this floor has a wonderful waterfall, which is the 2nd waterfall. Wow, it's like I'm running out of water. I need more water for this journey and can't go back to start all over. On our way to the 4th floor, we have to leave the ladies behind. I'm so pained they won't get to meet those who live and farm on the 7th floor. We met other people who are on the same journey as us. We shared water. Now we can proceed. Do you know we still have about 3 hours to get to the 7th floor? Wait, Do I just say people live and farm on the 7th floor? Yes, people live and farm there. So guys, let's keep moving. This is the 4th floor. Nothing much about this floor, just me wondering and questioning why it's so rocky. Let's continue to the 5th floor and see what next.
When you're coming here, ensure you have enough water on you. Trust me, you enjoy yourself. Because if possible, come with 2 bottles, let me say 3 bottles of water, you know. It's not easy. I got this point that we just have to, please don't finish that water. We just have to share water, you know. But I believe by the time we get to the village up there, trust me, yeah, there's a village there, yes. There's a village. These are strong ladies. These are strong ladies. They are strong. Let's go. Thank you, unlike those guys.
Hold up. Is this what it looks like? A church? Wow. People come this far to worship. I believe there's another story on this floor. Probably someone was just coming someday and God said, "Oh, my son, stop here. I want you to start praying here."
Okay, so how do you feel? Yeah, so sorry, okay. I guess you're so tired as I am. So sorry, bro. You're from Osun State, Ilorin? Okay. We can do this. Let's keep going.
Let's proceed to the 6th floor where we have 2 major stories. Yes, 2 major stories.
Wow, the 6th floor is the boundary between Oriade local government and Alaye in EKITI State. That practically means actually walked from Osun State to EKITI State. That's so serious. Either lazy or not, I made it to the 6th floor. Let's see how far I can go. And there's a church there. As you can see, there's a church there. And these guys, man, God must answer your prayer. In fact, God must love you by force. Wow! Can you see the view of nature? Can you see? I love this. Nature is beauty. Beauty is nature. Guys, I'm actually seeing something amazing. And I think you guys need to see this. Like, how did these guys manage to bring these tourists here? Man, these guys are strong. I wouldn't even do this. Imagine, I wouldn't even do this. I will never do this.
This is the 6th floor. If you look around, you will notice a lot of different green leaves from what we have been seeing on our way coming. This leaf is called Olumirin. It's majorly used for mat weaving and to package, serve, and preserve food like eko, moi, pounded yam. For more details on Olumirin, see my exclusive interview with Oba OYEBADE, OLOGOTUN of OGOTUN EKITI. Have you eaten rice served in this leaf before? Pounded yam? No. Oh my God. Ensure you try it one of these days. Look at that. It's a house. The moment you see this house, you are here. Welcome to the last floor. This is the village Abaoke. It's true after all.
Wow, I made it to the 7th floor. Man, like the tour guide said, we still get to see more houses, and this is what I'm seeing on the 7th floor. So imagine getting to the 7th floor. You think I'm late?
Wait, is that what I think? Campaign bills. Sure, people here vote too. Well, they have the right to.
Okay guys, I was able to make it to the 7th floor where we get to see villages. You see, after resting for every 5 minutes, and I was able to get here, and to my surprise, I couldn't believe people could pass through the stress or stay up the hills. How do they survive? So I was asking the tour guide how they survive and if we could actually get to see 1 or 2 people to talk to them. But unfortunately, no one stays in here at the moment because we're told they've all gone to the farmland. But definitely on our way back, trust me, I would really love to have a chat with just one person, at least one person, to ask how life is. Boss. And behind there, I'm seeing something like a poster for a campaign. EKITI niggas! Yeah!
Who be EKITI boy again? Fatuma say.
My mama is from EKITI.
They say space now here for like Bimbo and the local government.
This is the real Omo news.
You know, everybody wonder at a point of their life about whereabouts of things, but only few people wonder about the how about of these things. I am sure most people have seen it all now, but I still wish I could speak with people who live here to know how they cope without some basic amenities. It's like there is no one around to grant my wish. They've all gone to farm. Do you mean we can hang around? I think that is exactly what we will do. Yes, guys, some of them are back, but it's likely they are too tired to grant an interview. So sad, I feel like crying. Yes, finally, Mama gave us an audience despite the stressful day she had.
Àwọn kan tá à ń rí tó ń jẹ́ ká máa wá sí bíbáyìí torí nígbà mo sọ fún ẹ̀kọ́ pé mo ń bọ̀ bíbáyìí wọ́n ní ibẹ̀ yẹn àmọ́ ríyàn tó wà níbẹ̀ ọ̀gbà tá lè débẹ̀ àwa rí pé fúnra mi báyìí màá wá lọ sí gbòòrò màá lọ sọ fún wọn pé àwọn tó wà lórí òkè bíbáyìí o wọ́n fún yàn mọ́ra o wọ́n fún yàn mọ́ra o.
Àwa mọ̀ fún yàn mọ́ra dáadáa àwọn kan wà gan tó ṣe pé inú oṣù kẹrin ọdún ni wọ́n máa ń wá síbí wọ́n máa ń pọ̀ gan bíbáyìí náà ni wọ́n máa ń gbé sí.
Bọ̀ màmá tẹ bá gùnkè ṣé kò bá ló ti máa ń rí lára.
Ẹ mọ̀ wípé nǹkan téèyàn bá ti ń ṣe ó di dandan ó gbọ́dọ̀ mọ̀ yàn la tó ti yé òkè tẹ́rìn wá yẹn ibẹ̀ làwa máa ń rẹrù gbà káàkiri èèmọ̀ nájà Iléṣà.
Ọjà Iléṣà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tó ti yé yín ṣùgbọ́n gbà tí àgbà ń dé báyìí a sì sinmi fún un tọ́lọ́ ń ṣe mọ́tò fún wa là gbàbẹ̀ mọ́ tó ti yé yín ibẹ̀ là mọ̀ ń rìn igi. Èkó tèmi èmi bí ẹnìkan tí mo dúró yìí ojú ọ̀nà tẹ́ǹtọ́ lọ yẹn níbi orí àpáta oko tó kíláàsì tí èmi ni mo ní oko mi ni so ti yé yín ṣùgbọ́n kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó wọ bíi tá a lé àìfojú léèyàn àwa máa ń kó èèyàn mọ́ra ni torí fókè ni gbogbo orúwa ẹ̀ náà la lọ́mọ nídàálẹ̀ ní téèyàn bá sì ṣe lọ́mọ èèyàn ó gbà so ti yé yín bá a bá ṣe burúkú sí i ní ìsìn àmọ́ wó gbà gbogbo bí wọn bá wò wà lèèyàn fi máa ń ṣe dáadáa.
Màmá ẹjọ́ mo tẹ̀ fẹ́ bìnrin kan gan ẹ mọ̀ pé irú bíbá ẹ báyìí irú àwa o pẹ̀lú àwọn fíìmù àwọn móhùnmáwòrán tá a máa ń wò á rí i pé tó bá ti di alẹ́ bí anúgbó àwọn máa ń gbà tó máa dún tá a máa dẹ́rù bàyàn tí kò tó ń dẹ́rù bàyàn bíbá yìí.
tẹ́ ẹ bá gbọ́ gíga báyìí nínú gbọ́ ẹgbà pé èèyàn ló wà ń bẹ̀. Tó ti yé yín lẹ́yìn ò bá ti ṣe ju ìwé bá bí lọ. Tó yé yín sí wàhálà kò sí problem.
Màmá ẹ ṣé gan inú wa dùn o. Màá máa sọ inú náà máa lè sọ fáwọn èèyàn mi pé inú mi dùn.
Sí wàhálà.
People here are not just accommodating, but also entertaining. Some welcomed us with food, garri and water to quench our thirst, and corn to regain strength.
Guys, I got here and this gentleman here welcomed me with water, and there's something that surprised me about the water is that the water is cold, so I begin to wonder how they managed to get cold water here. Ẹ̀gbọ́n ṣé omi inú àmù ni àbí báwo?
Omi inú àmù. You can't stop at all.
Ẹ ṣé gan ẹ̀gbọ́n.
I'm glad you
And also, not only that alone, these are my friends here, and they all welcome us with garri. And say hi to the camera. So the truth is that climbing up here is stressful, but I can tell you categorically that these people here, they are accommodating, they are welcoming. Abimo Paroni. So these guys are welcoming, and I would like to tell my viewers, my audience, that these guys are welcoming. You guys are just
I believe you had an amazing thought today. Don't just leave after a nice time out. Please subscribe for more interesting tour. Thank you. I love you all.